This 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Jeep is powered by HR four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, regular unleaded V6 3.6 L220 engine, and has 65,179 miles. Upgrade your adventure. 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee to style, power, and unmatched capability awaits. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.